Hello, my name is Makin Ahmed. I'm a student of class 9 in Government Mohammadpur Model School and College and also a student of Mohsin Smart English Learning. So now I'm going to talk about my school. So my school name is Government Mohammadpur Model School and College, and in short form, its name is GMMSC. It was established in 2004. It was situated on Ghaznavi Road. It is a 7-floor large building. We have one canteen and have a gigantic auditorium. We have one library. We have many clubs like Scout, Red Crescent, karate team, and band party and debate team. I was on the debate team before the COVID pandemic situation, but now I have lifted from this debate team. Our school has 4,000 students. We have 53 teachers in my school. The teachers' educational skills are really admirable. That's all of my school. Thank you.